Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef tartare. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of very fresh, high-quality beef, like tenderloin or sirloin. Also, prepare finely diced shallots, capers, and cornichons. Don't forget fresh parsley, a raw egg yolk, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and a dash of Tabasco. A good olive oil is also essential for binding. Now, let's prepare the beef. Start by trimming any fat or sinew from your chosen cut. The key is to dice the beef into very small, uniform pieces, ideally about 1/4 of an inch. Use a very sharp knife to achieve these precise cuts. Avoid using a food processor, as it can bruise the meat. Keep the diced beef chilled in the refrigerator until you're ready to combine everything. Next, it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a chilled bowl, gently combine your diced beef with the prepared shallots, capers, cornichons, and fresh parsley. Add 1 raw egg yolk, about 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and a touch of Tabasco. Mix everything gently until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and fresh black pepper. Finally, for serving, you can form the tartare into a neat patty or mound on individual plates. A classic touch is to make a small indentation on top and place an extra raw egg yolk there. Garnish with a few fresh herbs or a sprinkle of paprika for color. Serve your delicious beef tartare immediately with toasted baguette slices, crispy crackers, or even some gourmet potato chips. Enjoy this elegant and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.